We're getting Dad will be finishing working on shingling this side today. We got Kyle backing up one of our trailers to clean up all this mess. So I took all these cedar shakes off the roof, I don't know, a few weeks ago. But now it's come to the time to shingle this side of the roof. So we gotta clean all this up. So I got a trailer out there hooked up to my truck. And Kyle will back that thing up. So we'll clean this up. And Reliance out of Saskatoon has been busy these past few days. We got a furnace. Look at this. They did a very good job. I do recommend. So we got all those pipes you saw out there, nicely organized into my furnace room. I just hit my head. But hot water heater and a furnace. Very excited. It's a little tight in here, so you can't, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but that's my furnace. Transitions look great. That, now me and Dad put this wall up here to make the furnace room separate, so that will be storage underneath there. Oh, looking like a house. Move this plumbing to that side of the house one day. But yeah, so far so good. So far so good. Well, some of you have wondered where the remainings of the house go. This is our undisclosed location. We call it the Boneyard. That is hall number 11. We got hall number 11.25 coming down the road here. But this is all from that house. I can't even believe it myself. 11 of those big trailers.